What's good? Welcome back to Invest in Trade with Jack. So I've been saying in my Discord and on YouTube, this should be the bull run of bull runs for XRP. Gary Gensler is stepping down. The case is over. America is very bullish, very pro crypto, and we're seeing that right now in XRP. So it should continue to be extremely strong for the duration of the bull run, in my opinion. We're sitting at $1.39. We're up 23%. In the last 24 hours, XRP is moving while most of the coins are standing still or pulling back. Market cap 79 billion, 24 volume 21 billion. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, just hang around to the end of the video. So we've completed our 5-wave move. We haven't quite reached our target, so of course we can continue to push up into this target zone. Wave 5s can also overextend. If we were to pull back from here, as we've already broken the wave 3 high, then I can give you a target zone to look for a pullback and a potential entry opportunity. That's if we pull back from here. That's not promised. We're in a bull market and things can get absolutely crazy, as we've seen with XRP. So a 5-wave move, if we were to pull back from here, then we could pull all the way back in between about 94 cents and 64 cents. But with the strength of XRP, we may just pull back to 94 cents before bouncing back to the upside. That's if we pull back from here. That's not promised. If we continue up, watch us to push up to 152 or 167. If we overextend, it is what it is. We're in a bull market, but as you can see, we are pushing into resistance here. This is the weekly chart. Broke out of this ascending triangle. We've already reached our target, so it would make sense to see some pullback, but in a bull market, things just get absolutely crazy. As you can see on the weekly, we're printing the bullish cross, which is an incredible sign for our friend XRP, and it's looking really good in my opinion. If I show you guys the bullish cross, in the previous, where was this bull market? This was the bull market of 2018, 2017. So as you can see right here, we printed the bullish cross similar to this breakout right here, bullish cross, and that was the start of the bull market. We did consolidate for, wow, many months. But eventually we exploded to the upside for an incredible 37x on your money. Absolutely lights out. 37x, wow, for XRP. So we'll see. I do think XRP has a good chance to go in between $8 to $10, $5 minimum in my opinion. Even from here to $5, you're only looking at about, yeah, it's only about a 2.5x gain off the lows. And off the bear market low to $5, yeah, that makes a little bit more sense. It's a 14x gain. So that's what I'm looking at for our friend XRP. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, we're currently in trades for Matic, we're in, or Polygon, as well as Turbo, as well as Ethereum. All you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees, up to $5,500 in bonuses. All you have to do is sign up. Takes 30 seconds. Once you've done that, send me email. You get my daily crypto analysis for many projects, my exact crypto trade setups, forex signals, and one of our members is giving signals all day long, as well as some crypto news updates. Yeah, sign up. All links down below. Send me that email after you sign up and you get free access for life. Almost 3,000 members. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.